And then the next thing I want for you to address is how is the shape of your mouth, right? Because a lot of times, especially high notes, right? If I'm going to hit a high note and I'm not very open, right? If I'm going to do even tried to push that a little bit more, right? It's going to sound throatier. You hear it wavering off, right? So what we can start to do is A, let me make sure my breathing's in. And then B, I'm going to take a look at what am I doing with the shape of my mouth. I'm going to open it more. And this doesn't just have to be for higher notes, but I do find a lot of times my singers will run into this with the higher notes. But either way, low notes, high notes, adjust your shape. See what's happening, in particular, internally. We say like you should master having a C shape always inside, right? Because the C has a nice open space so that air can just channel right through. And so we can even think about too, the C shape with the lower notes is like a lowercase, with the higher notes is like a capital. So when it go back to that note there, if I start to open up more, you're like, oh, you can hear the clarity. I'm hitting the notes, right?